Hello, this is Sanabaina Sanjeev Kumar. Today I am going to explain about maximum correlation regression in probability and statistics. So, coming to the topic, what is the maximum correlation regression? Let variables x and y be the data and label, and p of x, p of x, and py be the empirical joint and marginal distributions of x comma y from some training data set xi comma I. For I is equal to 1 and so on to n, 1, 2, 3 and so on to n, then the main idea of the maximum correlation regression is to approximate the conditional distribution p of y by x by the function p of f comma g comma b y of x y by x, p of y into 1 plus f of tx into g of y plus b of y, where f of x belongs to R, k is the input feature 1, and g of y and b of y can be viewed as the weights and bias associated to the input features for different values that y can take as in the softmax regression. As such, p of f comma g comma b into y divided by x can be viewed as substituting the values. So here in this correlation topic, we'll be given the values x and y. From that, the probability of x and probability of y can be find out from that with a table extension with the p of xy, p of x, and p of y, and so on. The main idea of the maximal correlation regression is to approximate the conditional distribution p into y by x by a function p f of f comma g comma b into y divided by x. So the probability of f, g, b and y by x defined as follows. Given k dimensional functions f and g dot of x and y, and a scalar function b into of b dot of y, we define the function probability of f comma g comma b y into x by y divided by x by a. Then the probability of f comma g comma b into y by x into y by x, where the p of y into 1 plus f of t of x, f of t of x, g of y plus b of y. Here we have to note a point that note p of probability of f comma g comma b into y by x into y by x can in general take negative values. The traditional cross entropy is not valid to measure the difference between probability of y by x and probability of f comma g comma b y by x. Thus, we adopt a variational chi-square divergence where the L of f of g comma b and x belongs to x into probability of x into xy, and the probability of y by x is into y by x minus probability of f comma g comma b y by x I into 2py y. To measure the difference between p of y by x and p of f comma g comma b into y by x, whose operational meaning will become clear later when connecting to HGR maximum correlation and softmax regression. We have to note that L of p f comma g comma b is greater than or equal to 0, where the inequality holds the equality if and only if p probability of f comma g comma b into y by x is equal to p of y by x for all x and y. Here there is a difference between p of xy, x by y, and probability of f comma g comma b. It can also be done in these formulas. So the algorithm and parameter estimation in a maximum correlation regression can be said as first we have to input an n number of samples of a feature and label them as f of xi comma yi, which is ni equal to 1. By computing the mean and normalization, then mu of f is implying that 1 of n into p of ni, that is equal to 1 of f of xi and f of xi, it belongs to f of xi minus power of mu f is where I is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma and so on. By computing the covariance of input features, 3f implies 1n pni is equal to 1 of p of xi f of t of xi for y is equal to 1 to y of dou ny, where p of ni is equal to 11 of y is equal to yi mu of divided by y is equal to y, where I of ny p of ni is equal to 1 of p of xi 1 of y is equal to yi. By ending that for y equal to 1 to modulus of y dog power y, and we get the output as g into y comma b into y, where y belongs to small y belongs to capital Y. Here in this algorithm we will be getting the values of fi xi by using this type of normalizing of the mean and covariance of input feature for y equal to 1 and also for y equal to 1 with the modulus, and where the output we are getting will be equal to g into y and also comma b into y, where the small y belongs to capital Y. And from by seeing the second algorithm, the retrieval of MCR, we have to give the data sample of xi of n is equal to 1, so that the theta h comma gh and function of f of theta into is equal to theta of h. Computing the mean, mu f is 1 by m of p of ni is equal to 1 of f of xi theta, and mu of f of y belongs to y p of y g of hy for y equal to 1 to modulus of d of 0 g into y, and where belongs to g into h of y minus mu g, where b of y is minus of mu t, and at end we get theta into and g into y comma b into y for y belongs to y. So in which where we get all in this retrieval and estimation, we get the same output as g into y and b into y for y belongs to y. And the theoretical properties in which we know demonstrate the optimizing the parameters of MCR is equivalent to solving a lower rank approximation problem of some normalized joint probability matrix. For simplicity of exposition, we assume x is also discrete with the range x is equal to 1 comma so on, 1 comma 2 comma and so on modulus of x. In addition to that, the following equivalent representation for f and g will all be useful in our analysis. 4x is equal to h f of 1 p of px of 1 and so on p of modulus of x p into p of x modulus of x it, where 4 into y is equal to h into g of 1 of p of y into comma and g modulus of p into py y it. Here we can see these are the graphs related to that, in which we can follow the SMFF PDM where the correlation varies in between. So this is all for my explanation. Thank you.